So the next tool we are going to learn is the line segment tool. Its shortcut is slash, which you will find in your keyboard. When you right click on the line segment tool, or you can simply just click and hold, you will find the other tools also. So let's start with the line segment tool. This tool is used to draw the straight lines. When you select the line segment tool, just simply click, hold, and drag to draw the straight line. Simple, isn't it? By pressing the Shift key, you can perfectly draw the straight lines, like this. Remember that you have to keep the Shift key pressed to make the straight horizontal and vertical lines. If you want to move the line, press spacebar while holding the mouse. You will be able to reposition the line. Press the Alt key and click, hold and drag to draw the center outward line, which means the starting point will become the center point of the line. Remember that the Alt key should be pressed and release the key after releasing the mouse button. One more way to draw a sharply measured line is just click on the artboard to open the line segment tool dialog box. Let's discuss the options of this dialog box. The first thing is the length. Enter the value to determine the length of the line. You can see the desired angle value of the line. Then we have the fill option. This will fill the line with the currently selected fill color. Mostly, you should keep this thing unticked because it gives a very negligible fill to the line. Press OK and the line will be originated. So this is how you can use the line segment tool.